Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. Today I will discuss week 4 quiz of the course Programming Data Structure and Algorithms using Python. Now, in this quiz assignment, in the first question, consider the following Python functions. There is a function mystery which take one list, okay, and this is the list mystery 22, 14, 19, 65, 82 and 55, and the question is what this mystery function will return for this list, and this is the definition of this function. Okay, so it will return 19, 65, 14, 82, 22, 55, and this is the proof. This is the function which take this list 22, 14, 19, 65, 82 and 55, and after executing this function will return this list. Okay. Now in the second question, what is the value of triples after the following assignment? Okay, so this is the triples. Now what will be the value if we print these triples? Okay, now triples I write here list. Okay, so this matrix will be returned. So triples equal to this matrix, and it will return this matrix 245, 335, 345 and 346. Okay, this is the matrix where there is 4 row present and 3 column. Okay, now consider the following dictionary. Which of the following statements does not generate an error? Now I write this code. This is the code, and each option I write, and for the first option, that is marks exams suresh.extend 44, it will generate an error. Okay, and if we remove this first statement, then there is no error. Okay, here we remove the first statement. This statement is present, then it gives an error in line number 4. That is the first statement. Now in question number 4, assume that the inventory has been initialized as an empty dictionary. Okay. Now which of the following generates an error? Same type of questions as question number 3. Now in this question, if we didn't write the option number 3, which is inventory Amul Mystic Mocha equal to 55, then it will not give any error. But if we write the third statement, it will give an error. Okay, so third statement will be our answers. That means the option number 3 will be our answer. In question number 3, option A will be the answer. In question number 2, this matrix will be the answer, and you can see this matrix from here: 245, 335, 345 and 346. And for the first question, this list is the answer. Okay, so submit the answer. Thank you for seeing the video. We will see in the next video.